My name is Evrard Benjamin Ngendakumana. I'm also known as Evrard Benjamin. I'm a photographer and filmmaker based in Burundi. For photography, I work as a photographer for Reuters. It's a news agency, and also Xinhua. Xinhua is a Chinese news agency. To enter in this domain, I think it was since primary school. I like to draw, and from drawing I discovered photography. I remember my big brother gave me a gift of a camera. So then I began amateur photography. In 2006, I was supposed to take pictures for some friend in a concert, and there were another guy who was supposed to do videos for them, but the guy didn't show up, so they obliged me to do the video for them. It was my first time, but I did it, and after they told me that the video was very good, and they wanted me to learn with them or to work with them in video. I began working in a studio called Kukirimba Art, so I decided learning video with them. We began doing some music video clips, some short documentaries or advertisement, and then after we create a cinema group. We wanted to do some short movies. We did like two short movies, but the quality was not good. And then we decided to learn from others. We had a chance to be trained by a Belgian group who came up here in Burundi to do a short movie called Nawewe. From that group I met a teacher who was teaching in Morocco in a film school. So that's why I decided to go in Morocco to study in a film school called ESAV Marrakesh. And after Morocco I went in France to study 1 year in a documentary film school. And after school I decided to come back in Burundi. Since that time, I'm based in Burundi as a filmmaker and photographer. I'm trying to contribute in this industry by doing some trainings. I do also share my knowledge with my fellow filmmakers. My future plan is to create a movement so that all filmmakers, photographers, we head in one direction. This movement will help us to create our own stories, and this will be better because we do understand properly our own stories and what is really happening here. For the moment, I think what we do need is unity. So through workshop, all those meetings, all those moments of sharing, I'm trying to put everybody together so that we can work together, and I think from that we can get a great stuff, or even we can improve ourselves if we are united.